Nice cast, buddy. Yeah, you're gonna be catching fish in no time. All right, Josh, I'm gonna teach you how to cast both of these reels today. What do you think?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yes.
All right, we're gonna start with the easy one. That's the hard one. So we're gonna start with the easy one. So let me take this from you. I'll put that there. Now, this is a spinning rod. Okay, and how we cast a spinning rod is you hold it here with your left hand. With your left hand. There you go. Now, first step is you take the line underneath your finger. Just hold it like there. Now with your other hand, flip that bail open. Go ahead. Okay, perfect. So now, if you let go, don't let go, but if you let go of that line, the lure is gonna fall into the water and the line's gonna come off the reel, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're going to flick the rod, and at the same time, as you're flicking it, you open your finger and let the line go. So you try it nice and easy, not too hard. Dude, you got it first shot. Okay, good job. All right, now close the bail. Close the bail. This hand goes up here. All right, now reel. Not too fast. That's called a spinner bait. And you're doing just fine. It's not really spinning. Why is it not spinning? Let me see something. All right. See how it spins like this?
Yeah.
See how that little blade spins like that under the water? Okay, now you're gonna try it again. Now, when you wanna cast, it's good to have like a little bit of a distance between the tip of the rod and the lure. And that way you can get a little whip when you cast. Very good. Okay, same thing. Give it a little whip. Very good. Awesome. Now reel it in. Close the bail. Yep. Reel it in. Now, if a fish hits you, you got to set the hook really hard. Okay? Let's see. All right, the spinner bait is working. All right, good. Reel it all the way in. All right, try it one more time and try and throw it up nice and far. Same thing. Whoa, all the way to the bank. Okay, reel it up. Close it. This hand goes up here. There you go. Now reel it in. Did you get it off? Okay, good. Dude, that was far. Good job, buddy. All right, so you mastered the spinning reel pretty quickly. So let's since it seems like you're ready for an upgrade, let's go to the bait caster. Now, the bait caster is a little bit more complicated, okay? And this is going to take a little bit of getting used to. All right, so I'm going to take the lure off of the thing here.
It looks like a frog.
Yeah, that is a frog. That's exactly what it is. Or that's what it's supposed to look like. All right, now I'm going to show you how this works. So pay attention to my hand. Like, look at me. So right now, the frog is dangling because this line the bail is closed. Okay. So now what you do? Look at here. You press that button down. You see what happens when you press the button down? Look at the lure. So it's in free spool, right? So what you got to do is look. Press the button, and then it goes out. But what you want to do is you have to hold your thumb on that spool, because if you don't, like if you just watch what happens if you don't stop the lure or stop the reel from spinning. If I press that down, okay, watch what happens. If I don't stop the spool with my thumb, once the lure hits the water, look what happens to the reel. Look at the reel. Oh, you see that? Does that look right to you? No. So the challenge with these is it's actually not the easiest reels to use. The challenge with these is here's what you have to do. You have to take your lure. See, now I press the button. I'm holding it down. Now I'm going to toss it, and then as soon as it hits the water, I gotta stop this with my thumb. Because if I don't stop it with my thumb, then the whole thing get backlashes, yeah. So then to put it in gear, I just start reeling. It clicks in gear and you can start reeling. Okay? So now you're gonna try, nice and easy. Okay? So press it down and then you gotta hold it with your thumb. Okay, not too hard. There you go, and oops. All right, we'll try that again. Reel it up a little bit. Right there. Okay, now hold it with your thumb. Press the button down. Is the button pressed?
Yes.
All right, now give it a little bit of a toss. And you gotta let your thumb go. You gotta let your thumb go, but you gotta watch the lure. As soon as the lure touches the water, you put your thumb on the spool so that it stops. Ready? All right, and put your thumb on. I saved you there from the backlash. Okay, now go ahead and reel it in. Go ahead and reel it in. But you did it. You casted it. But you gotta watch the lure. When the lure hits the water, you gotta put your thumb on the reel so that you don't backlash the reel. Yep. And stop it. Good. It didn't go too far, but good.
I think I'm better.
You're better with that one. All right, but hey, you got the point, right? Try it again. Try it a couple more times. And stop it. Good. You know that there's grown men that don't like, oh wait, hold on a sec. So you got a little bit of a backlash there. Okay, so what you gotta do, don't reel. Push the button. And now you gotta put your thumb on the line right there. And with this hand, pull line out. Give it a little tension with your thumb. And pull line out, keep going until all that tangle inside of there looks like it's gone. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. All right, let me see. Okay, it's out. So now go ahead and reel. Now you're reeling your slack. Good. Okay, keep going. All right, you're good. Now, you want to use the spinning reel? Okay, Holly, you can go ahead and use the spinning reel. Let's see if we can catch some fish. There you go. You're fishing now, buddy. Well, Joshy's fishing now, boy. It's only a matter of time before he's slaying big largemouth bass and peacocks. Love it. Holy, there's a fish.
Bass? Yes, it's a bass. Nice little bass. Thank you, Bubba.